Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Albert, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hinton, Ringer, Lookeba, Fort Tubb Reservoir, Albert, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.